Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Miss D, and today I am back with another video and another Stitch Fitch haul. Yes, another Stitch Fitch haul. This is going to be for the month of April. I forgot this was even in my mailbox. It's been sitting in my mailbox for about 3 days, so I was like, oh my gosh, I have to film this. So we have a good old box here, as you can see, so I'm ready to dig in and see what we have going on. I have my note here from my stylist. She says, happy fix day. I'm so excited to be styling you again today. I'm sorry that the fit was off on your last fix. I hope this feels better for you, and feel free to let me know what you thought of these pieces in your feedback. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let's get started. I'm so excited. I will say I did take a little peek at what's in here. And in here, I have something that I've never received before since being a Stitch Fitch client, if that's what you want to call me. Because this is probably like my 6th or 7th one. And I'll show y'all in a minute. It might be a little too late. So if I purchase all 5 items in this box, my order total would be $198.25. A little pricey. There's 3 items in the box over $50, 2 items in the box under $40. So let's take a look-see. I'm throwing stuff. I promise this is always like Christmas. I'm gonna start with the cloth bag. Because I've watched other people's fixes, a cloth bag means shoes. I've never gotten shoes in any one of my fixes before in the past. Even though I've requested and said, send me shoes, you can send me shoes, never got them. Once again, maybe it's my price range, IDK. So let's pull this out here. Oh, okay. This looks a little big, but I believe it's a size 9 according to what was on the paper. These aren't really my style. The heel is a little low. And they look very long. They don't look like they're going to make my feet look, you know, I want my feet to look petite. I do wear size 9, but this looks like an 11, just looking at it. And it's summer here now. You know, we're now in the 90s here in Arizona. So this is by Market and Spruce. It's called the Gargan Side Bow Heeled Booty, Burgundy 9. It's just a couple of months too late. And then even if it wasn't, this is not my style. It's just, I need a longer heel, and I don't know how to explain it. It's just not my style, is all I can really say. So I'm going to stick this back in here and move on to our clothing items. Cute little bag though, right? Now to the goods. To the goods. A little loud. Our first item is a jumpsuit. Nice material. Buttons down at the bottom. Cute. This is cute. Let me see what the size is on this. This is by Kaylee. The brand is Kaylee. Where's my tag? Here's my tag. So this is the Gerard Black Detailed Ribbed Bodysuit. Light gray, extra large. But it's by the brand Kaylee. So not too bad. It looks like it's decent. It'll fit. I like that the sleeves are a little bit longer than just your normal short sleeve. Okay, I can wear this with a cute pair of jeans. I'm not mad at this. Pretty cute. We'll move on. Next we have the Re-Tie Front Top by Luke, L-U-Q. It's in the color olive, and it's an extra large. So this, she did say she was gonna include some larger sizes for me, just because I believe that one dress didn't fit in the last haul, but this is gonna be too big, I feel. This is not really my style. This is kind of like paisley. It's not paisley, but this color and this print wouldn't necessarily be my style. It just looks big, it looks large. So I can't wait to try this on. It's looking a little droopy, you know, but we'll see. Next we have a dress. This is an extra large. This is by 9 Britain. This is called the Cynthia Asymmetrical Brushed Knit Dress. 9 Britain, extra large. All right. So this is kind of cute. I like the material. It's like a cotton, a soft cotton material. It's very nice. It feels good against the skin. It has the longer sleeves, which I like. It has a tie in the front or some detail in the front here. Oh, that's the crossover. The crossover effect. I'm sorry, guys. Struggling here tonight. Do you see that little crossover detail? So that should be cute. Really, really cute. I'm going to try this on. We'll see how it fits. We'll see how it looks with the crossover on my body. All right, and then we have our final item here. Let me get rid of this box. Our final item are some jeans. This is the Just Black brand. Color indigo, a 12. These are the Brooks High Rise Frayed Hem Skinny Jean. So frayed because at the bottom, as you can see, has the little frayed detail, which I feel will look really, really cute with the heel. So I will be excited to try these on, size 12. I like the wash. These feel really, really like quality denim. These feel really good. I like these. The pricing, you guys know how I get when it comes to price. So we'll see. The denim, Just Black. Yeah, these are nice. These feel really, really good. Let me grab my price sheet. So the boots were actually $75. The bodysuit, the light gray bodysuit, the first item that I pulled out was $36. The 9 Britain dress is $54, which is not bad. These boots are, these jeans are $88. A little high for me. And then the tie front top, olive, the kind of one that looks a little paisley, that is $38. So pricing not too bad. You see there? They give you all your prices. So I am ready to get to trying these things on. We are on style number 7. I cannot believe it's been 7 months. That just goes to show you how time has flown by. It's late, guys. I am filming this video at the spur of the moment, but I wanted to get it out and make sure that I had it done and complete. How do you guys like my earrings? Off topic. You like these? Yeah, Charlotte Russe. Got these at Charlotte Russe. So pretty, right? Have nothing to do with this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and start trying these items on. So we're gonna see what fits and what doesn't. So if you're ready to see this try on haul, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm ready to show you the jeans. I have the jeans on first. So let me step up here. And these are the jeans. They fit so good. They feel good. They're very soft. Kind of like a perfect fit. I do have a little bit of room, but I feel like if I went a size 10 in these, they would be a little uncomfortable. This is where the leg comes. This is how I have to do some karate to show you guys how the leg, it comes right up above my ankles, which is cute, you know. Yeah, I really like these. It's just out of my price range. So for my budget, $85 on a pair of jeans, it's just not in my budget. And maybe one day it will be, but I've never paid $85 for a pair of jeans. So while they are very cute and nice and perfect for the summer, these will be going back. By the way, this top is from Fashion Nova, so I just had this on recording, so I just decided to try it on with these. So I'm gonna keep these pants on. I'm gonna try on the olive top, and I'm also gonna try on the jumper, not the jumper, the one piece. One moment. All right, so as I presumed that this top would be too big, it definitely is. The style though, I kind of like it. I kind of like the tie in the front and how it comes down on the sides and how the length of the sleeve is to here. But I probably would need either a different print or a different color. And this would be cute with the jeans like this with some flats, some Toms, or, you know, something real cute. But yeah, this is not really going for me. I'm gonna step down here so I can see it a little bit better in the mirror. Oh, I can make this work, you know what I'm saying? It's not falling off of me, but it's just a little oversized for what I would prefer. And it's so funny because my last one, the clothes were a little bit too tight. So it's like I'm in between right now. Like the leopard top was a little bit too, you know, it came up to like here is how tight it was, and it just wasn't working for me. And then this is just a little bit too flowy. All right, moving on to the jumpsuit. All right, so here's the jumpsuit, which is very cute. The detailing in the back, the cutouts, it's very cute. I like, I'm not crazy about it. I mean, I like it, but I'm not like jumping for joy. But I think y'all know me by now. I think you know me by now. I think you know me. And this is $38, I believe. It's a little Kmart-ish to me. Like the stuff I used to wear when I was younger, like my grandma would grab me from Kmart. Just the simple striped tees, you know, minus the detailing in the back. It's just, I'm not crazy about it. I just always feel so bad. I'm entitled to have my opinion about how I feel about these clothes, right? Because I'm going to be spending my money on them. But I just wish I'd liked more of the items. And I start to like blame it on myself, like, girl, you don't like nothing that you get in your things. But to each his own. But let's get into the fact that I can actually wear something tucked in. That's a victory in itself. Come on, weight loss. Final item here is this dress that is too big. I'm feeling a little defeated at this point because I don't think there's anything in the entire box that I'm gonna keep this time around. You ever have that thought in your head, like your mama say, if you don't got nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all? That's the moment I'm feeling right now. I'm speechless. Yeah. Okay, first things first, size. It's a little bit too big, right? Let's go to print. Print I can do. I just feel like if this was white with the flowers, it would be cuter. Or pink with the flowers, it would be cuter. The black is is pulling me down. But it does have good sequin here. Let me step up at the top so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But it is too big. It's long. It comes down below my knees. I don't know if you guys can really see that. But here's my thing. Stitch Fitch has a lot of things in the catalog or on the promos or the what are they called? Those little things that pop up when you're scrolling through Instagram or whatever. Ads that are very edgy and very cute. Like blazers and motorcycle jackets and cute little stuff that you would wear out to like a wedding and I did take a style quiz and I put those types as my go-tos. I'm gonna go back and check. This is giving me like work, church, you know, going to the mall on a Saturday. I want something to zhuzh me up. You know what I'm saying? Especially with weight loss. I want to try new things and I want to feel sexy. And last Stitch Fitch fix, was pretty good. The dress I really liked, but we know it just didn't fit. I'm just at a point where I don't know what to do anymore. But I will have to figure that out on my own. All right, well, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for clicking on it. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If there's anything that you'd like to see me do on my channel, please comment down below and let me know. Whatever piece that you like the best, comment down below and let me know. But other than that, thank you so much for watching again. Bye.